Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox the Realme C35, and this is a new mid-range phone from Realme which is costing around 33,000 BKR. In this price range, we have 4GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. On the back, we have 50 megapixel AI triple cameras. On the front, we have 6.6-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display on this phone with no high refresh display, only 60 Hz. Also, we have 5000 mAh of battery size. This phone is almost 8.1mm ultra slim, and the color I have is the glowing green color. This phone is also manufactured in Pakistan, so that's really good thing. So in this video, we're gonna unbox the Realme C35. Now let's see that what is Realme has to offer in this phone. First, let me remove the plastic, and this phone also available in the black color as well. Let's remove this. And the Realme C35 is powered by Unisoc T616 processor, and the performance of this processor is very close to the MediaTek Helio G85. Now let's open this box without any wasting time. On the top we have mini box. So inside of this we have a quick start guide, and you can see a lot of quick start guide as well as a warranty card. And right there we also have a suggestion tool. No silicone case as of now on this phone. Here is our device, Realme C35. Now let's out the phone from this box like this. Now let's remove this plastic, and you can see here is the Realme C35 looks like in the glowing green color. I gotta say that, and the design language of this phone is really beautiful and premium, no doubt about that. Although the packet is made up of plastic as well as the frame of this phone, and the frame of this phone is completely flat, and you can see, which gives a really premium feel over any other smartphone. The camera layout on this phone is very similar to the iPhone 13 Pro series. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. On the front we also have a screen protector which is already installed on this phone. Now let's see what else we get. And then the phone, and the first thing we have charger. So now let's check out ampere rating on this adapter. This is a 9 volt with a 2 ampere, and guys, and this is a 18 watt fast charger. Does not have 33 watt fast charging with this phone, only 18 watt. Also we have cable which is a USB type C to USB A cable, no headphones, and you can see. So now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's look at the Realme C35. Guys, now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have a speaker, USB type C port, main microphone as well as a headphone jack. This phone only has a single speaker. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker as well as a SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone, and the frame of this phone is completely flat. So you can see you can use one micro SD card with a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full first SIM slot. Also inside the SIM tray we does not have any rubber. So on the top we have nothing. On the right hand side we have a power on button, in which we also have a fingerprint scanner of this phone. On the back we have triple cameras. We have a 50 megapixel main camera with a 2 megapixel macro and a 0.3 megapixel which is a depth sensor. On the front we have 6.6-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with 60 Hz refresh rate, no high refresh rate display. On the front we also have a Panda glass protection as well. On the top we also have a water drop notch on this phone, no punch hole. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Realme C35, and you can see, and guys, and first impression about the display quality, I have to say that again we have IPS LCD display on this phone which looks really nice. But again, in this price range we mostly have a AMOLED display, no 90 Hz. Now let's go to the settings, and here is the notification area looks like, and you can see. Now let's go about phone, and this phone is running on Android 11, and you can see no Android 12. Also we have Realme UI R edition, which is a lighter version of Realme UI. Again we have Unisoc T616 processor. Also we have 128GB of internal storage out of 112GB it is available on this phone. So now let's go to the display. We also have dark mode. We also have auto resolution mode on this phone. We also have color and contrast mode. We also have auto brightness, but again no 90 Hz on this phone. We also have video display enhancement, which automatically make the video more brighter and more vivid. That's really good thing. So now let's see the fingerprint scanner. Here is a fingerprint scanner. Now let's look at the camera, and this phone has a triple cameras. we have 50 megapixel main camera with a 2 megapixel macro and a 0.3 megapixel which is a depth sensor. On the front we have 8 megapixel selfie camera. So here's the camera UI looks like on this phone, as you can see. So here is a normal. We also have video mode. Let's see video recording size with the back camera, and the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps, no 60 fps on this phone. We also have portrait mode. In the mode section we also have night pro mode, which is a night mode which takes a lot of time. In the mode section we also have pro mode. We also have macro mode on this phone, which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens, although the quality it is, I would say, really average. We also have burst mode. We also have panorama. Phone does not have any slow motion. So now let's look at the front camera. On the front we have 8 megapixel selfie camera, and the front camera on this phone I would say is really bad. The Infinix Note 12 has one of the best front facing camera I've seen in this price range so far, and the front camera maximum shoot 720p at 30 fps. I am seeing this after a long time. On the front we does not have any portrait mode, and you can see. And guys, regarding the cameras, and you can see this phone does not have any unique feature in the camera department, and the main camera on this phone is really decent. And other than that, as well as the front facing camera is, I would say, not really good on this phone. Now let's talk about the battery size, and this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with 18 watt fast charging, not a 33 watt. And the main highlight I would say of the Realme C35 is its design language, and you can see, and the flat frame is gives a really premium feel over any other smartphone in this price range. So if you are looking for a very good looking smartphone in this price range, and the Realme C35 is the best option for you. But another that, a camera performance, display, as well as the software, it is not really good on this phone. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Realme C35. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.